Welcome friends, in this video tutorial we will learn various page setup options in Excel 2007. So to set the various page setup option, first go to the page layout ribbon and you will see one page setup option in which you will see various commands related to page setup. So let's see various commands. First command in page setup is margins. If you want to set your margin of page to certain unit, then you can set this by using margin option. So go to the margin. If you want to set margin to your page, then you have to select wide or narrow, because currently we are in normal mode. So wide will set margin left, top, right and bottom to some unit which is 1 inch, 2 inch, and narrow will be smaller than wide. So this is the margin, but currently I am selecting my normal. Another option is the orientation. My sheet contain more data, not more columns, so I have to use portrait. When there are so many columns, then we can use landscape. Let's see our landscape mode. Set landscape mode and go to the print option and print preview. So this is our landscape mode, because we have wide sheet on paper. This is the wide area, so our data is not horizontal and our data contain two pages. On next page we will see only this portion which is skipped. So close and select orientation portrait and we will see the print preview. So this is our print preview in landscape mode. So no data is skipped and we can see all data. Another is the size of the page. You can set size A4, A3, A5, tabloid and other. You have to set print area. By default it will print whole sheet, but we have to select particular print area to be printed. So I am selecting up to the chart and set print area. So this print area is set. You can give insert page break. Suppose you want to give page break after or data table and chart to be on next page, then you can insert page break before the chart. You can also set background, like if you want to set watermark for the page, then you can set using the background. And you can set print titles if you want to give print titles to something. So this is the various page setup option. Now if you want to see your print preview, then go to the office button and print option and print preview. So our page will look like this. If you are not satisfied with this print preview, then you can set various page setup option and modify it. To print this page, you can click here print, and to set page setup you can go to by directly here page setup. So one window will be open. So this is about setting up print preview and page setup. Thank you.